I found 5 free and useful AI tools for you that make your daily life easier to try, most of which don't even require a sign up and completely free, which you can also make a side income hustle. I mean, using them, you can earn over $1,000 a month. So watch the complete. So let's dive in, starting with a tool that can animate any drawing. With this tool, all you need to do is have your drawing on a white paper as shown under the checklist section. What I'm going to do is start with one of the examples. Let's take this astronaut and spaceman, click that, and then we'll go next. It's automatically detected the area or the character. Now comes time to highlight your actual character. It should automatically detect it if your drawing is clear. Otherwise, you can use the highlighter and eraser tools to get the right character. Now mark the points where all the joints are. I'll click next, and now it's the fun part where you can add animations. You can get it to go from one end to another, save hello, like this option here. So here's another one right here. This one here, you can choose under the categories of dance, funny jumping, or walking, and take any image or drawing and animate it. So next up, we've got a free text to speech converter. All you need to do is paste in your text in the text box right here. Choose your location or the accent that you want your speech to be in. There's quite a number of choices. Even under English, you've got different countries. So let's start with United States to keep things simple. I'm just going to choose Emma Neural Female and use this default text right here so I can show you what it can do for now. There are other settings like speed and pitch, but let's go ahead and play this.
You can replace this text with any text you wish. You can either write in this text box or paste your own text here. Try different languages and voices. Change the speed and the pitch of the voice.
Pretty good, right? It sounds quite human, quite natural, and again, this is all free. Let's try a different accent. So we've got English, but let's try Philippines just to be a bit more.
You can replace this text with any text you wish. You can either write in this text box or paste your own text here. Try different languages and voices. Change the speed and the pitch of the voice.
Once you've converted your text to speech, all you need to do is download it, and then you can use it for whatever purpose you'd like. As a quick side note, all these tools are free for you to use. And if you do find value in them, why not go ahead and donate? Because it does have some consumption cost for the website owner to run. So go ahead and support these website owners and tool owners. Moving on, do you want to create a professional headshot created using AI? Well, there's a free headshot generator that you can use. Again, no sign up required. All you need to do is click generate professional AI headshot. Basically select your gender or just select male. I'm going to use someone else's photo, right? Which I downloaded from Unsplash.com. I'm going to choose professional too. Let's go with that. But there are other styles that you can go with depending on the look that you want for your photo. Click continue, choose your age group for the image that I'll be using. I think it looks about 25 to 29, continue. I could be wrong, but let's go with that. I'll just choose, it's got brown here, continue, and does he have a stubble? Yes, I'll just choose stubble, and here's white Caucasian, but there are other ethnicities right here to select, and I'll click on continue, upload the image. Here's the image I'll open. You can upload more images so that the AI gives a better, more accurate photo for you, but otherwise you can go with one and then start generating. Now it's generating the headshot, and here's the result. We've got this one with the professional look, chose professional to, you can see the options right here. Don't like what you're seeing, then you can always go back and generate again, but by using this AI headshot generator, you can simply take any photo and then turn it into any of the styles as shown here. Next up, we've got a document summarizer. All you need to do is upload, drop your PDF file right here. I'm going to drag and drop my beginner's guide to fitness here and then choose your summary style. Do you want a concise, complete outline or a translation? I'm just going to choose outline. And then there's output language selections here to different languages. I'm just going to choose English, click on process. And in seconds, you'll see that it's going to summarize each page. So page number 1, it summarized all of that, is page number 2, and it's just going to continue until all the pages are done. However, there is a maximum of 10 mega for each PDF document. And there we go. All 5 pages have been summarized. Really useful if you're doing some research, some studying, whatever it may be that you want summarized instead of going through the whole page. So if you want to get a gist of what that PDF is about, use this tool and it'll save you a heap of time. Next, we've got a useful prompt generator. So with this tool, you can generate better prompts to use on places like Chat, GPT, Claude, and other chatbots. And AI assistants, don't be turned off with the whole interface and the simplicity of it, because it's really that simple. All you need to do is add the role that you want ChatGPT to play in this case. Just put in something simple like a YouTube creator. What task do you want to achieve? with this prop WR engaging YouTube script about how to start selling digital products online. Click on Generate Prompt, and then right down the bottom is the output starts here where it says, "You are a successful YouTube creator known for your engaging and informative content, and here's an example script covering the following points." And then all you would need to do is simply copy this prompt and then in Chat GPT paste it in, and then I'm going to now generate, and in seconds it's created an entire YouTube video script for me from the intro and Hulk all the way down to the conclusion, even giving a call to action like give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips so you can see what it's done. Even filled out all of the steps involved based on the original prompt. But of course, if you are going to use this tool, I suggest going more specific with the role and the tasks so that you get a better output in terms of your prompt right here, all right? So this was all about these AI tools if they are useful for you. So click the like button and subscribe our channel Digital AI Dollars, and if you want to make money from Temu affiliate programs, so click here and watch the complete video, or you want to make Messi and Ronaldo funny, trendy videos, also watch this, or for more amazing videos, visit our channel. Okay, bye.